open your eyes. You are being used for attention. And I know you're probably thinking about it, but let me solidify this for you. She never really spends time with you. You need to understand that just because she said yes to your little coffee date or going out for ice cream or on your little study date, but then she immediately bails on you because she needs to go meet up with her friends, that's not her liking you. That's not her being hot and cold with you and you confused. No. She said yes because she feels sorry for you. But especially if there was no physical touch, she's using you for attention, which actually, that's number two. You got no physical touch in your date. Yeah, she accepted your nice dinner date. Yeah, you might have spent a couple $100. That means nothing if you didn't get physical. If you didn't even get a kiss, and I'm talking on your first date, this is your threshold. If you're not getting any sort of physical touch on that first date and you spent money, bro, she's using you for your time and attention. She was bored. You're basically her sugar daddy. And this is how you'll know. 3, she's giving other dudes attention. If you're noticing on social media, she's commenting on other dudes' posts, they're commenting back and forth, they're liking each other's stuff, or even in person, she's doing it right to your face. You and that guy are probably the guys that she's using in her cycle that she's using to feed her own validation. Bro, you gotta set yourself out the pack, because when the date does happen, you gotta be that one guy standing apart. That one guy that she's like, yo, I've never seen that. You know what? Here's where you really stand out the pack, with your personal grooming. I've always told you, with our company, MANSCAPED, we're ensuring that men look good everywhere, including the areas she can't see at first. But when she does see, it's game over, especially with our new ball shaving kit. Look, we revolutionized ball trimming. Let's be real, right? We're like freaking Steve Jobs out here, right? Nobody else had done this before. Now there's a bunch of competitors, but before there was nobody, right? But we're doing it again. But this time, shaving your balls. See, shaving your balls is an intricate process. It's not easy by any means. And if you do it right, it's that, this guy's different moment. That's the type of moment she's going to have. You don't want nicks. You don't want cuts. And that's what we understood. So we developed our own razor. We call it the Pebble. And it's engineered to fit perfectly in your hand and go into complicated and diverse terrain. Because that's what it is down there. It's hard to have a razor down there. Our razor is not only ultra sharp to ensure that you're getting that closest shave possible, but it gives you ultimate control to ensure you know exactly where you're cutting and minimize any risks of nicks and cuts. But here's the cool thing with our ball shaving kit. We have the entire bundle, including the ball shaving cream. See, our ball shaving gel, it's clear. So when you apply it, it allows the razor to glide and again, avoid the nicks and cuts. But also, it applies clear so you see exactly where you're shaving and you're getting the closest shave possible. You buy the kit once, then you just subscribe to our heads and you get them delivered every time you need them, so you're always looking on point. If you guys want to check out our Manscaped ball shaving kit, boys, it's going to be linked down below. I'm going to give you 20% off and free shipping if you guys click that link down below. If you guys want to check it out, it'll be there. Number 4, she's flaky. Look, a girl that actually wants to be with you will do anything in her power to rearrange everything in her day to be with you. But if she's out here canceling last minute, she's hot and cold with your dates, and even worse, she cancels and doesn't even make an effort to reschedule. Like if a girl cancels because she has something serious, like, yo, I can't make it tonight, but can we go out tomorrow night? Can we go out next week? That's a good sign. That means that she still wants to go out. Something serious must have happened. But if she just cancels and that's it, she's just using you, bro. 5, she looks bummy around you. Telltale sign. If a girl could care less about you, she's going to look like crap. She's not going to wear makeup. Her hair's probably going to be in a bun or in a ponytail, something simple, something easy. She ain't going to be putting extensions on and curling her hair and straightening. Nah, she ain't going to do all that work for you. If you notice, she does the most bare minimum stuff, some basic outfit, basic hairstyle, no makeup. She ain't interested in you. This is a good one. Number 6, you're confused. If you are confused, you think, man, why is she playing with me? Why is she toying with me? It's because she is, right? And the thing is that most of us are emotionally intelligent enough to be able to tell. We just don't want to realize it, which actually rolls me to the last one. Everybody knows, bro, including you. You yourself, deep down, you know she's using you for attention. But not only that, your bros have told you. Your own family has told you. Shoot, maybe even your coworkers have told you. You're being played and you don't even see it.